So we are back for the F500 European Championship heat number 2. And it's about 30 seconds until the start. So I will recommend to hold your sight on the blue boat from the outside. It might have some start, but it's the red light. And it is a start. And look at Erkko Abrams from the outside. But it's also Robert Hens and David Lukotka have a really, let's say, dangerous moment for a second, but everyone saved it and it's safe for now. And look at that, how Erkko Abrams is coming from the outside and already gained the second position. But right now, Erkko Abrams' job is to hold the second place. And David Lukotka is not giving up on Erkko Abrams. He's staying right behind him. But look at that. It is Robert Hens and Marian Jung who have won it. Let's say fight out. And a big crash in from Milan, not Milan, but Surkomnitsi. And yeah, Marian Jung has passed Robert Hens. But sounds like Robert Hens might have some engine problems. And yeah, it's Surkomnitsi out of the game. It's not sounding good for Robert Hens. But look in the back, it is Paul Hart and Chaco. Looks like Paul Hart has some engine problems, so Chaco might catch him soon. So it sounds like Paul Hart is having some engine problems, so Chaco is catching up with them. And Zielinski is soon lapping the two boats. but Choco doesn't have too much time. And it is 3 wide. It is Paul Hart, Choco. And Choco has overtaken Paul Hart, and Zielinski goes from the outside. But right behind Zielinski is Erko Abrams, trying to catch up also. But this won't be too easy for him. And now, Robert Hens gets the last lap, but it is a finish flag for Marcin Zielinski. And right behind him comes in Erko Abrams on second place. So, Marcin Zielinski has taken 2 wins from 2 heats. Impressive job from him. Erko Abrams made a good comeback. As I said, this might happen. And it did. David Lukotka on 3rd place, Marian Jung 4th place, Robert Hens 5th, Choco 6th, Paul Hart 7th, and Surkov Nixi with only 2 laps completed got an 8th place. Thank you for watching. Let's pray for good weather tomorrow, and we will see you soon.